say, go back and write a rule. A, B times C, D. We'll split our answer up into 3 columns. The one rule that we'll end up with is only the leftmost column can have 2 digits. All other columns can only have 1. Well, what happens if we end up with more than 1 digit here? If this is 2 times 5, this will obviously be 10, and that breaks our 1-digit rule. Well, let's address that. The original process, A times C, so A times C equals AC, 7 times 5 equals 35. We'll write that in our column, 35. Then A times D plus C times B will give us this middle column. So A times C plus C times B will equal AC plus CB plus. So we'll plug that in. We have 7 times 3 equals 21. And we have 5 times 6 equals 30. 21 plus 30 equals 51. Well, here we go. This right here breaks our 1-digit rule. So we'll end up putting our 1 here, and our 5 will bump over into the column to the left. So now we have 35 and 51, and now we just need to finish with our B times D. So 6 times 3 equals 18. Oh, once again, we have too many digits for this column here. It breaks our 1-digit rule. So we'll do the same thing that we did here. Go 1 and 8. And then we're going to simply add down. So there's nothing in here except for 8. Here we have 1 plus 1 equals 2. And here we have 35 plus 5 equals 40. So the answer will equal 4,028. 76 times 53, 4,028. And now why is this easier, or why is this considered a math trick? This is considered a math trick because you could easily hold these numbers in your head. 7 times 5 is 35. Okay, I can put that to the side. 7 times 3 is 21. 5 times 6 is 30. I can add those together, and I have 51. Since I now know the rule, I can quickly add my 35 plus my 5 in my head. So I put 40 to the side, and I hold 1 in the middle place. Lastly, I go to my final digit. 6 times 3 is 18. I have 1 in my head, and I have 1 over here. So I add those together. I have 2 and an 8. So I combine them all together. I have 40, I have 2, and I have 8. 4,028.